How to find and see all the whiteboards on a Zoom chat. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see and find all the whiteboards easy and fast. So first thing, go to Zoom. Now you have to choose the conversation or the channel that you want to search in for whiteboards. Now I choose this one. Now all what you have to do, go to the top corner right here and you will find whiteboards. Click on it and here you will find all your whiteboards shared in this chat will appear here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much.